Hey guys, two questions on last night's homework, volume of prisms. The first one is number 8. Finding the volume of this guy, my volume is equal to big B times H. And big B stands for the area of your base. Well, what shape is my base in this figure? I'm looking at this guy. This is the one that has two parallel planes exactly the same, which means it's going to be a trapezoid. So I have to figure out what is the area of a trapezoid. That's going to be 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. Again, this is all for my big B. Well, I'm looking at this trapezoid, which looks like this. And I know this length up here is going to have a length of 6. This length down here is going to have a length of 2. And then the height of the trapezoid is this guy, and that's going to be 3.5. So using this figure, I want to figure out the area of my base. I'm going to get 1/2 times the height, which is 3.5, times the base. I'm going to have base 1, which is 6, plus base 2 of 2. Again, it doesn't matter which one you have, base 1 and base 2. I'm going to take 1/2 of 3.5. 6 plus 2 is going to give me 8. Half of 8 is 4. So 4 times 3.5 is going to give me 14. So 14 is what my big B is equal to. Again, all of this was just for my big B. So now I'm going to take volume is equal to big B times H. Well, now I know big B is equal to 14. And then I am looking for my H. My H is going to be the height of my prism, how far apart my two bases are from one another. And that's going to be this guy right here, how far apart they are from one another, which is going to be 2. So my volume is equal to 28. And number 9. Number 9, again, volume is equal to big B times H. Well, what shape is your base? This is my area of base. Well, what shape is my base? That's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a pentagon. So I want to figure out the area of this pentagon. So he looks like this. And they're telling me that each side has a length of 9. So 9 going all the way around. And they're also saying from the very center, going straight down to the side, has a distance of 6.2. So that's going to help me because I want to figure out what my if I make a triangle here, this triangle, I could figure out the area of just this one triangle, which is going to be 1/2 the base, which is 9, times the height, which is 6.2. So I'm going to multiply this. 1/2 of 9 times 6.2 straight into the calculator, and that's going to give you 27.9. All right, so that's just for one of your triangles, though. That was just the area of one of them. But I have a total of 5 triangles in here. So I'm going to take this 27.9 and times him by 5. And that's going to give me 139.5. So all of this is what my big B is equal to. I just found the area of one of my triangles, and I times it by 5, and that gave me the area of the entire pentagon. So now I'm going to take volume of big B times H. Well, now I know that big B is equal to 139.5. And then for my H, this guy here, that's the distance between my two bases, how tall your prism is. So how tall is it? That would be this guy right here, which is 8. So 139.5 times 8, which gives us a volume of 1,116.